How to change your Fidelity 401k investments. Welcome back, friends. If you have a 401k retirement account managed by Fidelity and want to rebalance your portfolio or change where your future paychecks are invested, updating your holdings online takes less than 2 minutes. Let me show you. Okay, so firstly, let's access your workspace investment portal. So for that, type in NetBenefits Fidelity and go to this address. In here, you log in with your credentials. Then on your dashboard, just locate your 401k plan. Click the Quick Links drop-down menu right next to your plan balance and select Change Investments. Fidelity will present you with two options: change future investments or rebalance current investments. Now you can just look at the difference between moving your existing money and changing future paychecks. So if you choose to change future investments, you are choosing where your upcoming paycheck contributions will go without touching your current balance. If you select rebalance current investments, you are selling off your current holdings and redistributing your existing account balance into new funds. So select the option you want, click Begin. Adjust the target percentages for each fund so they total exactly 100%. Review your asset allocation and click Submit. Also, pro tip, don't want to manually rebalance your portfolio every single year. Inside the Change Investments tab, you can toggle on Automatic Rebalancing. This will automatically realign your holdings back to your target percentages quarterly or annually. And also don't forget to always check expense ratios of the available mutual funds. Picking low-cost index funds over actively managed funds can save you tens of thousands of dollars in hidden management fees over time. That's it for this one, guys. Enjoy.